Hi, I'm Angel Nightingale. Welcome to my channel. Dive into a world of diverse content that enriches your mind and soul. Discover the benefits of herbs and spices, explore mini episodes for adults tackling real-life situations, and enjoy kids' stories and educational videos for all ages. Immerse yourself in the beauty of nature with videos on animals and waterfalls and learn tips for skin and hair health. Plus, enjoy a variety of music to soothe your soul. Join our community and experience the magic of learning, nature, and wellness. Subscribe now and never miss an update.
4-ingredient chocolate banana coconut cookies. Are you ready to be a snack hero in 4 ingredients? These banana-based mini cookies taste like banana bread and coconut macaroons had a delicious chocolate-covered baby. These cookies come together quickly, are naturally gluten-free and nut-free, and can be made vegan with the right chocolate. And they will totally bust your 3 p.m. slump or make you the coolest mom ever for serving cookies after school. Mashed banana is the secret ingredient. Since bananas can act as a binder and egg replacer, just a single mashed banana holds these cookies together. Look for a banana with some brown spots on the skin, too green of a banana, and the cookies will be starchy instead of sweet. Ingredients: for the cookies, 1 large ripe banana, 3/4 cup unsweetened finely shredded coconut. For the chocolate dip and drizzle, optional, 1/2 cup mini chocolate chips, 1½ teaspoons coconut oil. Instructions: make the cookies. Arrange a rack in the middle of the oven and heat to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Mash the banana with a fork in a medium bowl until smooth, then stir in the coconut. Scoop 1 tablespoon portions onto the baking sheet, spacing them evenly apart. Bake until the edges of the cookies are golden brown, 15 to 17 minutes. Place the pan on a wire rack and cool completely. Melt the chocolate. Place the chocolate chips and coconut oil in a small microwave-safe bowl. Microwave on high until the chocolate is melted, 45 seconds to 1 minute. Dip the bottom of each cookie into the chocolate and place back on the parchment-lined baking sheet. Transfer any remaining chocolate into a small zip-top bag. Snip the corner of the bag off and drizzle the chocolate over the tops of the cookies. Refrigerate until the chocolate is set, about 15 minutes. Recipe notes: storage: refrigerate for 3 days in an airtight container or freeze for up to 2 weeks. Thaw before serving.
Autumn apple torte. During apple season, I always look forward to making this yummy torte. It has a cream cheese layer and apples galore. Ingredients: 1/2 cup butter, softened, 1/2 cup sugar, divided, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 package, 8 ounces, cream cheese, softened, 1 large egg, lightly beaten, 1/2 teaspoon almond extract, 2 cups thinly sliced peeled Granny Smith apples, about 2 medium, 2 cups thinly sliced peeled Cortland apples, about 2 medium, 1/4 cup cinnamon sugar, 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg, 1/2 cup confectioner's sugar, 2 tablespoons 2% milk, 2 tablespoons sliced almonds, toasted. Directions: preheat oven to 450 degrees. In a small bowl, cream the butter and 1/4 cup sugar until light and fluffy, 5 to 7 minutes. Beat in vanilla. Gradually beat in flour. Press onto bottom and 1 inch. Up the side of a greased 9 inches. Springform pan. In a small bowl, beat cream cheese and remaining sugar until smooth. Add egg and almond extract. Beat on low speed just until blended. Pour into crust. Place apples in a large bowl. Mix cinnamon sugar and nutmeg, add to apples and toss to coat. Arrange over cream cheese mixture. Bake 5 minutes. Reduce oven setting to 400 degrees. Bake until apples are tender, 30 to 35 minutes longer. Cool on a wire rack. Remove rim from pan. In a small bowl, mix confectioner's sugar and milk until smooth. Drizzle over torte, sprinkle with almonds. Note, to toast nuts, place in a dry skillet. Cook and stir over low heat until lightly browned.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on the best contents. Have a beautiful and blessed day to each and everyone.